Now for this last part of the question, they give us this equation of matrices. 5, -1, 0, 3 multiplied by xy is equal to 9, 3. And they're asking us to solve for x and y. Now, let's look at something here. Let's just see. Suppose we look at this whole matrix here as B. This matrix here, we call it X. And this matrix here, we're going to call what? C. Can be anything. Letters don't matter. We're seeing here that B multiplied by X gives us C, right? So if we want to solve for X and we're multiplying on the left-hand side, we can transpose B and divide, correct? Well, not quite for matrices. We're going to transpose B and multiply and use the inverse. So we're multiplying C by the inverse of B. So therefore, to solve for X, we'll have X is going to be equal to B inverse multiplied by C. Now, look at that matrix B. Does it look familiar? It should, because that's the matrix that we found the inverse of in the last question. So let's do some substitution here. In place of X, I'll put the matrix XY is equal to B inverse. The B inverse that we found in the last question was 1 over 15, 3, 1, 0, 5. And that is going to be multiplied by 9, 3. Now, yes, at this point, I can multiply each term in the matrix by 1 over 15, but why do that when it's going to give us some fractions to work with? So what I'm going to do is highlight the rows. We have a row here and a row here. This is a row and this is a column for multiplying matrices. So let's bring down xy is equal to 1 over 15 multiplied by, we have 3 times 9 plus 1 times 3 at the top. And that's our top row. Bottom row is going to be 0 times 9 plus 5 times 3. Remember, it's row times column. So you go first term in the first row multiplied by first term in the column. Then the second term in the row multiplied by the second term in the column. Cool? All right. Now, that will give us, let me go down here instead, because I might need some space. XY is equal to 1 over 15 multiplied by 9 3s are what? 27. 1 times 3 is 3. 0 times 9 is 0. 5 3s are 15. Yep, and you'll need some more space. So XY is equal to 1 over 15. 27 plus 3 gives us 30, and 0 plus 15 is 15. Now we can multiply by the fraction and we'll end up with some nice round numbers. Could have done it before and then have to work with fractions right through. Who wants to do that? So, work smarter, not harder. So we have 30 over 15 at the top and 15 over 15 at the bottom. It works out to be 15 into 30 goes 2 times, 15 into itself once. So we see here x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. And that's it.